We are a family-owned and operated business, and it's important to us to be a family.
We're all working together cohesively, and that no one's more important than someone else.
I think it's awesome working with the team. I love helping people. I love training people. I love kind of watching people be successful or become successful.
I would describe the leadership and the management style here as second to none.
Our whole production office is full of guys who had worked in the field at one time and had eventually moved up into the office. So we understand a lot of what's happening out in the field.
The company culture is inviting. It is an open door concept. It is also a space where you feel at home. You feel welcome.
I've seen a lot of grace behind the scenes, just a lot of support, a lot of concern for the employee and the homeowner. And so that goes to a very healthy culture, in my opinion.
I just think it's awesome. In my role, I get to see people kind of come in new to this and kind of, once they kind of get the grasp of these things, realistically watch them kind of change their life.
Almost every position I've held at this company, I had no experience in before I got here, but I had just eventually took the leap and kept learning and kept growing right along with the company.
It sets apart the big companies and allows you to have a better relationship. Makes it easy to come to work.
So the company supports me by giving me the tools I need to succeed, by putting, I think, good qualified people around me, and being open to the ideas that I have.
Overall, it's just a band of brothers. And when you have that support and when you need to make a call because you have a question and somebody answers, it just means the world.
This is a learning environment. This is a company that takes care of its employees. We are always growing and bringing more things on board to take care of employees. So as we grow, we give back.
We got support because we're part of two networks. We're able to be in communication with 127 other companies just like us that perform the same kind of work. So any questions that we may have, there's always somebody we can ask for the answer.
Conviction in HomeSpec and what we do, that's what make us successful.
I stay here because I believe that this company is the best company performing this kind of work in our area.
We have done very well with our growth over the last, I can attest, for 5 years.
We've been in business 32 years. So it's like I always tell the customers, we're no longer practicing at this point. This is something that we know how to do and we know how to teach people to do.
If you're looking for a place where you can grow, this is it. Because of transparency, because of work-life balance, because of the family environment in which they get.
There are many opportunities to climb the ladder. You can move into other positions. I've seen many people move from just starting out to management.
I've been able to grow, and so can you.